Please explain in detail the endocrine system in the format of hormone, source and action, and 4 stages of menstrual cycle. The endocrine system is a complex network of glands and organs that produce, store, and secrete hormones, which are chemical messengers that regulate various bodily functions. Hormones are released into the bloodstream to act on target cells or organs to maintain homeostasis, growth, and development. The 4 stages of the menstrual cycle are also regulated by hormones. In this explanation, we will cover key hormones, their sources and actions, as well as the 4 stages of the menstrual cycle. 1. Hormone, source, and action. A. Insulin. Produced by the beta cells of the pancreas, insulin helps regulate blood glucose levels by promoting glucose uptake into cells and inhibiting the breakdown of glycogen. B. Glucagon. Produced by the alpha cells of the pancreas, glucagon works in opposition to insulin, raising blood glucose levels by promoting glycogen breakdown and glucose release from the liver. C. Thyroxine, T4, and triiodothyronine, T3, produced by the thyroid gland. These hormones regulate metabolism, growth, and development. They increase oxygen consumption and the production of heat, while also affecting protein, fat, and carbohydrate metabolism. D. Cortisol. Produced by the adrenal cortex, cortisol is a stress hormone that helps the body respond to physical and emotional stress. It increases blood sugar, suppresses the immune system, and aids in fat, protein, and carbohydrate metabolism. E. Epinephrine and norepinephrine. Produced by the adrenal medulla, these hormones prepare the body for a fight-or-flight response by increasing heart rate, blood pressure, and blood flow to muscles. F. Estrogen and progesterone. Produced by the ovaries, these hormones regulate the menstrual cycle, prepare the body for pregnancy, and maintain secondary sex characteristics in females. G. Testosterone. Produced by the testes, testosterone is responsible for the development of secondary sex characteristics in males and the maintenance of muscle mass, bone density, and libido. 4 stages of the menstrual cycle. A. Menstrual phase, days 1 to 5. The menstrual phase marks the beginning of the cycle, with the shedding of the uterine lining, endometrium. Hormone levels are relatively low, specifically estrogen and progesterone. B. Follicular phase, days 1 to 14. The follicular phase overlaps with the menstrual phase, beginning on day 1 of the cycle. During this phase, the hypothalamus releases gonadotropin-releasing hormone, GnRH, which stimulates the pituitary gland to release follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH. FSH promotes the development of ovarian follicles, which secrete estrogen. Estrogen helps rebuild the uterine lining and suppresses further FSH release through negative feedback. C. Ovulation, day 14. Ovulation is triggered by a surge in luteinizing hormone, LH, which is released by the pituitary gland in response to rising estrogen levels. The mature ovarian follicle ruptures, releasing the egg, ovum, to be fertilized. The ovum travels down the fallopian tube towards the uterus. D. Luteal phase, days 15 to 28. After ovulation, the ruptured follicle transforms into the corpus luteum, which secretes progesterone and some estrogen. Progesterone helps maintain the thickened uterine lining, preparing the body for pregnancy. If fertilization does not occur, the corpus luteum degenerates, progesterone levels decrease, and the uterine lining is shed, marking the start of a new menstrual cycle. In summary, the endocrine system is a vital part of the body, responsible for producing and regulating hormones that control various functions. Key hormones, such as insulin, glucagon, thyroid hormones, cortisol, epinephrine, norepinephrine, estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone, originate from specific glands and have distinct actions on target cells or organs. The menstrual cycle is a prime example of the endocrine system's role in regulating complex physiological processes, involving the hypothalamus, pituitary gland, and ovaries in a delicate balance of hormonal control. The menstrual cycle consists of 4 stages: menstrual phase, follicular phase, ovulation, and luteal phase. These stages are regulated by the interaction of hormones, including GnRH, FSH, LH, estrogen, and progesterone, which ensure the cyclical process of preparing the female body for potential pregnancy.